Okay, I don't have much news this week, but I had to at least talk about the one thing that dentistry was in the news for this week, and it was the Epstein files starting to release photos. And what does he have in his private
A
estate?
dental chair.
A dental chair with weird masks on the wall.
I'm just
I
gonna
mean,
say
of
that's some
all
weird
the
shit.
rooms, yeah, that's weird stuff right there. Of all the rooms, like you see the bedrooms and you're like you get icky. You see some weird shower room with I don't know containers of linens and stuff, and you get a little
Oh yeah,
icky.
that was actually pretty nice. Not
Yeah, and very well organized, I might add. Very well organized. But then you see that dental chair, which is probably the stuff of nightmares for many people anyway. And then you add it, it's at Epstein's Island. You put a bunch of weird masks on the wall, which I'm immediately I think, are those cameras? Is somebody like standing behind the mask, putting their face in there and watching some weird shit go on inside there? Like, what happened in that room?
Were there nitrous tanks back there? Was it like
I don't know.
Steve Martin as the dentist in Little Shop of Horrors? Was it like one of those kind of things? Like,
Exactly. Like there's
yeah, yeah.
so much
Was it?
weird.
I am a con Julio. I need teeth in my bunghole.
Cornholio.
Or I need a dental chair.
It's so weird. The only other thing I will say, and this is a terrible thing to say, is that probably there was a dentist on the client list, and we love a tax write-off. So if you put a dental chair in there, then I can go down there and practice a little dentistry, and all of a sudden my trip to Epstein Island is a tax write-off.
You mean it's like the cruise ships that let dentists come on and cruise for a
Have
week and they have to go
CEs.
down for like an hour to the dental chair
Exactly. Yeah,
and stand there
exactly.
and wait for a possible dental
Possible
emergency?
emergency? That's what I'm thinking. They might have gotten just free trips to the Virgin Islands and maybe, a little something, whatever was going on down there. I'm not 100% sure.
Uh,
But it's weird. It's just
I'm going to ask a
weird.
really weird question because I only kind of caught it, like literally, I just caught
Yeah,
it
yeah,
out of the
yeah,
corner of
yeah.
my eye, and I was talking on the phone and I saw it and I was like, wait a minute. So when you said it really struck a nerve with me because I'm like, God, I saw that out of the corner of my eye. But here's my question.
Okay.
Please, God, I hope there were no stirrups.
Oh my!
I didn't see any.
This is
Also,
not
I mean,
though,
I'm not trying to be rude or ugly. I
you're a
mean, like,
little
but
weird.
think
that's
about where
crude.
this was.
That's crude. I know. And the last thing I will say kudos to the media because they obviously chose the dental chair as the first picture in every news story because dentistry is scary and creepy enough. And that room in particular with the masks was utterly disgusting and weird. And they were like, that's top. That's a clickbait right there. People are definitely going to want to see these pictures because look at that weird room. It's so
Yeah.
weird.
I'm
And
looking right now, and the photo. Like I went back to the site where I saw the photo. It's. I mean, I know it's still there somewhere in the archives or whatever, but it's not there anymore.
It's on Reddit for sure.
Jeez, oh Pete. Let's see here.
I think I actually saw it on like one of the television news
Yeah, it was, I
programs
mean,
when I got
before
home.
we popped on, I saw it on New York Times and a couple
Yeah.
other news channels. So I don't
Crazy.
know. I just think it's the stuff of nightmares. I mean, dentistry is already scary to people, but then you add it on Epstein's Island and the masks, the weird faces is just very bizarre to me. I don't know. So with that, that's the
Yeah,
news.
that's the news.
Yeah.